Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can fix your Google Chrome problem if you just click on it and it sometimes crashes and not loading any websites, and it is how you can fix these problem in your Poco smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your settings, and here it is apps. Click on apps, click on see all 68 apps, and here you have to write Chrome. First you have to type here system and clear the cache of Android system web view in storage and cache. Then press back again, click on three dots, click here show system apps. Here you have to again write system and click on Android system intelligence, and you have to clear the cache first, then press again. You have to write here Google like this, and here it is the Google Play services. You have to clear the cache for better performance of your Google, and then press back, go to your Chrome, long press it, go to I button, and here it is its settings. You have to clear the cache, clear storage, and here it is permissions. You have to give all your permissions like location, microphone, camera, notification, photos and videos, and many more. You can see you can give also music and audio. If you have to download music and audio from your Google Chrome, it will allow you to play. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.